Alright guys, so the time has finally come. We have hit 10k subs on the channel. Thank you all for the support, and this has been a tremendous year so far as growth goes for my channel. So I want to thank all of you, everyone who watches my videos. Thank you so much. If you guys enjoy these videos, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. A lot of you aren't subscribed, like 90% of you at this point who watch my content aren't subscribed. So hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. But anyways guys, just like I promised, I'm going to show you guys where I make all the content, where I film the videos, where I stream, all that stuff right here. Alright, so this spot back here, guys, which I'm sure you're familiar with, this is usually in the background of my streams. This is where I have a ton of my stuff that I get from my loot crates. I get the gaming loot crate every month, and I've been just stockpiling and saving all this stuff up, so I display it back here for you. We got the Dry Bones plushie, some Bioshock action figures, little Freddy back there, Sonic water bottle, I got my Switch right there, Fortnite Monopoly unopened, a Teemo hat for when I cosplay as Teemo. Just kidding, that's never going to happen. Some Borderlands action figures here. Doom shot glasses, one of my favorite pieces, a little shotgun shell shot glasses. Absolutely love those. Skyrim head right there. We got the Alliance and the Horde flags because you guys know that I've been playing WoW for my entire life. I'm a huge WoW fanboy. We have the H1z1 Jersey right here from when I went to TwitchCon in 2017 and played in the Challengers tournament. Back here in the corner we have some soundproofing. I made this little diamond back there above the bed. We have the Nuka-Cola poster, the LifeX beam light right here, which you guys see in the background of my streams. One of my favorite types of RGB lighting. I absolutely love the beam light. Got the Warcraft collection, all the boxes back there, some bobbleheads from Fallout, a nice old Warcraft mug. We got Warcraft 3, Diablo 2, the old school cocaine energy drink. Only the OGs are going to know about that. They don't make it anymore. It's unopened, completely unopened. Diablo mug, Diablo. Some Fortnite memorabilia from the World Cup when I went there. We have the little blow-up hammer right there. Burger, Llama, Soul Calibur. Then over here, of course, we have Darth Vader and R2-D2, Stormtrooper, and Yoda. And then some more Fortnite memorabilia from when I went to the World Cup. We got a Slurp Cup here. That was a pretty good drink. It was like some kind of blue raspberry Slurpee. It was pretty awesome. Some V-Bucks coins in there. The World Cup pass, the World Cup poster, lanyards. A signed picture of Peely, a signed picture of the Dark Bomber right there, and then some more Fortnite memorabilia. This is my TV right here. It's a 60-inch LG 4K smart TV. I basically never use it because I'm either on my computer or sleeping. I have my Switch right here, which runs internet to all the devices in the house, even through the ceiling upstairs. Cable box. Moving on over here, we have the M Audio BX8A studio monitors. I've had these from back when I used to do music. The other one's right over there. They are some serious speakers. They pump out some crazy sound. As you guys can see here though, I have my left ring light right here. This is more of a fill light, and then I use that kind of as my key light when I'm streaming since it's behind the camera. And as you guys can see, I have that one off to the side to just kind of fill in the left side of my face. I have my nano leaf panels up here with some more soundproofing, the black and blue theme, obviously to go with the Hammer Dance theme. I have those back there. I have an LED strip that runs along the entire edge of the room, if you can see that as well. And I have another RGB floodlight right here for when I want to, shoot some colors up onto the ceiling and make it look even cooler. Moving on over here, we have my gaming rig. Have an i7-9700K, 64 gigs of RAM, and an RTX 2070 Super in there in the NZXT 510i case. Right here, this is my streaming camera, the Canon M200. I love this thing. To me, it's been one of the best investments I've made for my stream as a whole. Coming down here, I use the Logitech G Pro wireless mouse, the Elgato Stream Deck. That's my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. I was using that back when I was using regular XLR microphones that didn't need a bunch of power, and then obviously I upgraded to the Go XLR Mini, which I have right here, which powers my Shure SM7B pretty well. They have the Razer Huntsman Mini, 60% keyboard right here with some custom keycaps on it. Moving over to this side, this monitor is actually connected to my gaming PC. These three are connected to my gaming PC. And then right here, this is my streaming PC. I have the Ducky 1.2 Mini on there with the glorious Model O. And the streaming PC is under here. Don't mind the cable management, but that also has an i7-9700K, 32 gigs of RAM, and a GTX 980. I use it for encoding with the CPU though. And as you guys can see, I have another key light right here. This is a JVM key light. I use that for when I'm recording videos, obviously. It's pretty cool. It was definitely worth the investment. I think I picked it up on a sale on Amazon for about 70 bucks. It gets really bright and it definitely works as a nice key light. Up here on top of my speaker, I have my rubber ducky, and over here I have my rubber pig and my money statue from Hawaii. This thing is apparently lucky and will bring me great wealth in life, so let's hope that works out. So another thing I want to show you guys right here, these are all gaming loot crates that are unopened, that I haven't even opened yet because I have no more room for stuff in this room. So I will be using those once I move and can set up my actual game room. But yeah guys, this is the entire setup. If you wanted to ever know what it actually looks like when I'm streaming or creating videos, this is what we're dealing with. This box down here, this PC, that's a mini PC that I'm working on. It's running Linux and I'm turning it into basically like a retro arcade machine. But no updates on that yet. I haven't worked on it in a couple months. But yeah guys, this is the entire setup right here. This is where I do it, where I make the videos, where I stream. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour. It's not much. It's tough with a bed in here and everything, but hopefully next year that'll be changing. I will be having a completely dedicated studio for this kind of stuff, so hope you're along for the ride, and thank you guys for the continued support. Like I said earlier, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications, and don't forget, if you want to hang out with me live, I stream on Twitch Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Alright guys, I want you to keep those hammers up. I'll see you next time.